Hello, welcome friend. Welcome to our channel Quality Guru. Friend, today our topic is preparedness for CDSCO GMP audit. The CDSCO was established under the Indian Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940 to regulate the quality of drug, cosmetic and medical devices. The concept of good manufacturing practices within this framework evolved from the need to ensure product safety and prevent substandard medicines with amendment to the act and introduction of new rules such as medical device rule 2017 and the new drug and clinical trial rule 2019, continuously strengthening the regulatory standard for quality and safety. History of CDSCO. Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940. The foundation for CDSCO was laid with the enactment of this act, which gave a central authority the responsibility for regulating the import, manufacture, and the sale of drug and cosmetic in India. Evaluation of the CDSCO. The organization grew from a basic regulatory body to a pivotal institution, with its functions expanding over time to include the regulation of medical devices and the establishment of a central body overseeing clinical trial and pharmacovigilance. Modernization effort. In the year 2005, CDSCO modernized its operation, launching the Sugam portal to streamline and accelerate the application process for manufacturers. Now, in the year 2025, CDSCO modernized its operation, launching the ONDLS portal to streamline and accelerate the application process for manufacturer. New rules and amendment. The 2008 amendment to the Drug and Cosmetic Act was a key milestone in strengthening the regulatory framework. The Medical Device Rule 2017 were introduced to provide clear regulation for medical devices and ensuring consumer safety. The new Drug and Clinical Trial Rule 2019 were enacted to strengthen regulation for clinical trial. Origin of CDSCO GMP. Need for quality standard, alignment with global standard, regulatory framework. Need for quality standard. The need for stringent quality control and GMP standard arose from the essential requirement to ensure that drug and medical devices available in India were safe, effective, and of high quality. Alignment with global standard. CDSCO has continuously adapted to align with international quality benchmark for drug and medical devices. Regulatory framework. GMP principles are embedded within the broader framework of the Drug and Cosmetic Act, its rules and subsequent amendment which govern all aspects of manufacturing to ensure safety and quality before product reach the market. Difference between Schedule M and CDSCO GMP. Schedule M. In India, mandatory regulatory standard for pharmaceutical manufacturing enforced by CDSCO to ensure drug quality, safety and efficacy. Mandatory compliance. Schedule M is a mandatory legal requirement for all pharmaceutical manufacturers in India. In essence, CDSCO GMP refer to the enforcement and operational standard for GMP in India as detailed in Schedule M. Schedule M specifies the detailed requirement for manufacturing premises, plant and equipment, including aspects like quality risk management, validation and product quality review, all under the CDSCO authority. Schedule M GMP, a regulatory framework in India detailing good manufacturing practices, especially for pharmaceutical products manufactured within the country. Purpose: to safeguard patients by ensuring the consistent quality, safety and efficacy of drug produced in India and to improve the reputation of Indian pharmaceutical industry. Key features with revised Schedule M emphasize on quality risk management, that is QRM, and product quality review, that is PQR. Mandatory qualification and validation of equipment and computerized system. Specific requirement for manufacturing premises, plant and equipment. A focus on self-inspection by manufacturer. CDSCO GMP, the enforcement body and the application of GMP principle within India. CDSCO is the central regulatory authority that oversees and enforces drug quality standard. Schedule M provides the detailed specific how-to for GMP, and the CDSCO is the government agency responsible for inspecting, approving and ensuring manufacturer comply with the revised Schedule M requirement. In practices, when a manufacturer undergo a CDSCO inspection, they are being audited for their adherence to the requirement outlined in current Schedule M guideline. Schedule M is a regulatory text, the what, that define GMP standard for Indian pharmaceutical manufacturing, while CDSCO GMP represent the regulatory system, the who and how, where the CDSCO uses Schedule M as its guiding document to regulate and enforce those standards within India. Introduction about CDSCO GMP audit. To prepare for a CDSCO GMP audit, manufacturers should deeply understand the GMP guideline, especially Schedule M, revised Schedule M, train employee on GMP and SOPs, conduct thorough internal audit to find and fix gaps, maintain all documentation and records, implement robust quality control, ensure proper facility design and hygiene, and apply for the inspection with detailed application. Need to check, review and rating our facility with the defined CDSCO benchmark checklist. Before the audit, understand regulation, conduct internal audit, train, employ, document management, address past issue, mock audits. Understand regulation, familiarize yourself with CDSCO and WHO GMP guideline, particularly revised Schedule M. Conduct internal audit, perform self-assessment to identify weakness in cleanliness, production process, documentation and staff training. Train employees, ensure all personnel understand and follow GMP rules, safe procedures and the specific standard operating procedures. Document management, organize and ensure all necessary documents are up to date, including batch records, quality control records, equipment log and SOPs. Address past issues, review previous audit reports and verify that all identify corrective and preventive action, that is CAPA, have been successfully implemented and closed. Mock audits, simulate the audit process with internal or external mock audit to familiarize your staff and identify further area for improvement. During the audit, review and demonstrate, ensure proper storage and control. Review and demonstrate, be prepared to review individual subject record for correctness, demonstrate proper dispensing of materials and show secure handling of test drug. Ensure proper storage and control. Have procedure in place for monitoring and maintaining proper storage condition for test drug and securing them with control access. Key audit areas: premises and facility, quality control, production, processes, personal, documentation and record, equipment, implement CAPA, maintain certification. Premises and facility, check building construction, separation of area, cleanliness, pest control system and the interior surface of walls, floor and ceilings. Quality control, evaluate the quality control system including raw material sourcing, testing and the control of product at every stage of production. Production process, assess how manufacturing is carried out and equipment use. Personnel, verify that personnel are qualified, well trained and follow GMP procedure. Documentation and record. Ensure that all records, including batch manufacturing record, QC records, and SOP, are maintained accurately and are readily available. Equipment. Check for proper calibration and maintenance status of all manufacturing and QC equipment. Implement CAPA. Address any finding from the audit by applying corrective and preventive action, documenting the process and demonstrating result. Maintain certification. Continue to adhere to GMP guidelines to ensure ongoing compliance and consumer trust. Document required in CDSCO GMP audit. Site and plant layout to check and review man and material movement, water system drawing, total number of sampling point, EHU zoning drawing, compressed air, drain trap layout, list of pharma drain trap, list of API and excipient storage condition, list of raw material and packing material reject, site master file, validation master plan, APQR, stability data, quality or control sample management, quality manual, quality policy, list of SOPs of various sections, self-inspection report and corrective actions, product complaint, CAPA record if any, change control record, list of deviation, list of out of specification, out of train, list of lab incidents, product recall if any, batch failure if any, its investigation, previous inspection reports, records of previous inspection and audit by CDSCO or state FDA along with the responses and action taken, training schedule, training record, medical checkup schedule and record, disinfectant efficacy study, type of disinfectant schedule, laundry management, dress cleaning record, GMP shoe cleaning record, pest and rodent control management, layout as drawing, SOP list and its record. Product specific documentation, manufacturing license, product permission, product registration certificate, import license, export license, list of COPP, stability study data, certificates of analysis, master manufacturing formula, manufacturing process, undertaking, proof of safety and effectiveness. Thank you, thanks a lot, and keep watching our channel Quality Guru. Please like and subscribe our channel.